How to add beautiful strips on Wix. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add beautiful strips on Wix. So first what you have to do is come to your Wix dashboard like I'm on mine, and then what you have to do is click this edit site button on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click this, you're going to land over here on your Wix website editor, and then just come to this left side of your Wix interface and click this plus sign, the add elements option. And once you click this, here you can see that there's this strip option. Just search for this strip option, and if you can't find it, just come to the search and click the search, and here you can choose the search bar for like using to search for the strips option. Just like enter strip and press enter, and then you're going to end up with the strip option. Once you click this strip option, you are going to get these like many options that are available, like the classic, the featured, the about, the services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and theme. Now you can choose whichever you want. For example, if I want to choose this theme one, I'm going to like choose anyone that I like. For example, I'm going to go with this one, and if I click this, I'm going to just like click it, and it's going to be added to my screen or site. Now to edit it, you just have to like click it once. You can change the strip background, you can customize it like you want. You can use the background scroll effect, you can choose the layout, you can shape dividers, you can stretch it, or you can just like use anything that you want. For example, if you want to change the image, you can just choose this option, and here you can just change the image if you want. And here you can just change these options like the text. Here you can edit the text, create AI text, you can use animation over here, or you can just paste a link. And then if you come to the social bar, you can set social links, like you can just customize it according to your needs and wants. So that's how you can add beautiful strips to your Wix website. I hope you like the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.